Turing Shield is an electronic device that can be placed in an indoor as well as an outdoor setting. To situate the device at the right place, you must take necessary precautions to ensure the safety and optimum performance of the device. It is important to evaluate the suitability of the location because a wrong placement of the device can cause physical damage to the device, erroneous temperature readings, non-compliance with the COVID-19 protocols, and not to forget, the chances of theft. In this video, you will get familiar with the general guidelines to situate the device in your location, additional precautions to be taken to situate the device in an outdoor setting, and effective use of signages to ensure the COVID-19 protocol adherence in your organization. To begin with, let us see the general guidelines to select the right spot to situate your device. First, as with all electronic devices, be sure to protect the device from direct sunlight and other natural elements, such as rain, snow, or dust. And do not expose the device to high humidity, vibration, radiation, and chemical corrosion, as it can damage the lens. Maintain at least 3 feet of clearance around the scanner from any heating, cooling, or airflow sources. Close proximity to these sources can create an ambient temperature that is outside the recommended operating range, thereby impacting accuracy of temperature readings. Remember, the ambient temperature at which the thermal scanner operates remains within the range of 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 16 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Hence, any rapid changes to the device temperature must be avoided, as it may cause inaccuracy of temperature detection. You must also allow 30 minutes for the device to adjust after it is moved to a new location. Additional precautions need to be taken when setting the device outside the facility. Let's find out more. You need to set the scanner in the outdoor mode. To set the scanner in the outdoor mode, log into the Data Access Management platform. On landing the home page, from the left navigation menu, click the Device Status option. Note that if you are using a touchscreen device, you will need to tap on it. The Sites page opens, displaying the list of all the connected sites. On this page, click View Devices for the relevant site. This displays the network devices of the selected site. Now for the device which you need to set in the outdoor mode, click Setup, and then click Temperature Settings from the list of setup options. In the Temperature Settings overlay box, select Outdoor to set the device in the outdoor mode. To save and apply this setting, click Submit. There you go! Your device is set in the outdoor mode. Coming back to the other precautions to be followed when you place the device in an outdoor setting. Always place the device under a canopy or a tent to protect the device from weather elements, such as sun, snow, and dust. You may consider tethering your outdoor device or moving it indoors at the end of day to prevent a theft or intentional damage. People being scanned should cool off for 5 to 7 minutes, especially if they are coming from hot sun or extreme cold. This allows optimal skin surface temperature to be recorded. Avoid strong light sources in the background of the viewing field, as it may interfere with the scanner function. After situating the device, you want to ensure that all your employees and visitors are following the required COVID-19 protocols before entering the facility. You can do this with effective use of signages in your office or facility. Signages are a great way to visually convey important information. You can use floor signages, wall signages, and device signages based on your requirement. For example, you can use the floor signages to direct the individuals to the device or remind them of the social distancing protocol. You can use wall signages to share COVID-19 protocols that are specific to your organization. and use the device signages to communicate the health screening process to be followed by the individuals before entering the premises. If you wish to order these signages for your organization, you may contact your account manager or customer service team and order for signages that match your requirements. You can order each signage in sets of 25 and expect the delivery in 7 to 10 business days. With this, we have reached the end of this video. These are some key points we discussed in this video. Protect the device from direct sunlight and other harmful elements. Always place the outdoor device under a canopy and set the device in outdoor mode. Use signages to ensure COVID-19 protocol adherence in your organization. Thank you for watching.